Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TV GH. So, what friend me, Adjoa searching.
Repeated, he mentioned specific names. Do you think, sir, in the interest of party unity, those specific names you should maybe render an unqualified apology to him, and then you can move on as a party?
Now, if they say they won't do, are they the party? Those individuals, some of them are MPP. You have personal issues with people, personal problem. You feel that some individuals have personally hurt you. Are they MPP? Obi me to way. Me kwam na me MPP. Into can say some miracles. Antonio Mama Mia. MPP. Oh, what are you doing? That is not how we run a political party. It is an cordon of winning flag bearer. And Nanka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, yes, ya. Open Cabane de. Aden Obi. It is sort of a flag bearer. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, yes, ya. And Cabane de. Obi, okay, Bantida. Okay, Honorable J.H. Mesa.
Yeah.
Onwana Konta, President Kofo. 1 year campaign in Tiano. Uncle Dina campaign, I think I said President Kofo, Aya Bantida, or you know, just Wayento. President Kofo, we need privacy. What's a year? Said that GH went and the number completely you don't threaten the New Patriotic Party. You don't. There is no justification for it. If you want something to be done, you don't threaten the party to have it done. Obviously, so by 23 years in the party, no party no great design.
Asempa FM.
Obi party no design. So what you say? It's your crying, yes, sir. It's a mona mote party, nana more party no fitting. If you do this, you are putting all of us our lives at risk. We wake up in the morning and labor for this party. Koshe, ko Facebook na ko Twitter la koshe. Obi, me wo constituency. The chef ni amrant here call up and down. Ye adwuma party we. Na nipa baako. Nipa baako because we say nipa mienu ana miense bi. O ma ye bibia ma na ye oyenti. O to party ni na actually. Now also be justify. When our lives are at risk, people's future at risk. Omo muti opa obi bi already here. Na my MPP for etie won kasa obete ya omudi. Check for the past 6 months this party has been on course. After the discussing. When was the last time I wanted to hear discussing MPP say? Now they take beer you be discussing MPP in this light Diano. It should be coming from you. Why? You to abaye honorable Brana Champo. So Lucy, what is our KBC? Only concern. Now to obia kwa election no Lucy no yes here. You don't from my room. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lost a national election. Have you heard him do this to the country? Now, Dr. Bawumia, Obi Wadaroma, Dr. Bawumia, Obi and Dinatem. Respectfully, Honorable Kennedy upon himself, and ne supporter, Onuan Kasa openly insulted Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Onuan Kasa openly on the cameras in him, did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What is that Dr. Bawumia say? Member Hono Mekasa, this will be permitted. Why? Why? Obi, why are you holding all of us at ransom? I'm very passionate about this conversation because Obi, yeah, bre. Me no kase fiti anopa makasa radio so makoma ko 6. Mada me ni kum me afre no me njane na mafa phone. I was just on Joy News. Me yes me to nkwana asempa sa frame me na maso abefa call. Ko to Facebook na ko hwe, ko Twitter na ko hwe. Obi, there are MPP young people ya pamo mwesi o madwuma because some MPP for. They are counting on this party to get back to power. There are young patriots. Obi, oye na dwuma wo Kumase, wa settle on in the family. Oye MPP ninti, NDC aban we buy. Your person ko wale. Obi a wa born ne ho atena se wo Kumase. A we person akọ wale. Da ben e na oba be peska abobo ne ho afa ne ma akọ wale akọ school e de ma no. Obi ye dwuma wo Tamale. E ho no te. Oye bibia wo ho. Your person e fi Tamale e de na be hia bankan. Da ben and oba ko so me. Also ye dwuma wo GRA or Tamale. Omo person e fi Tamale de na bankan because of MPP. He has to come to Accra with his 5 children and his wife. How is this person supposed to even readjust? These people have been victimized and they are counting on the MPP to come to power. That is what the parties and its members are focused on. We are not focused on individual interests, what we feel, any emotions. Obi, yeni abre. It's a question judge, I didn't want to comment on this thing. Menene kasa or joy, man commenting on it. But me tie no asempa no me ra ho ya
Asempa FM
me ra ho pa. Why do we do this? Dear bone pa no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye obobo nipa mi ense na ka me so obobo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din nkono abeso ya ba be pa ocho e chopa ben biem Dr. Bawumia Bawufie no abetena se. Anyway din komo. Wa company fo aka nyina ho ne o din komo. E de biom no ye. To Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no kasa da. Se all cassette obi akwala na penin kwada obi. What about kompoda. Sinipa no so na flag bearer. Hwe bra papa ya bre. 2024 campaign or yeah. Tadwe da papa yitrim. Any ideas or one man my way or that to akonya so. Me no ka say committee meetings koso or no more say almost to provide alternative solutions to this country. But he can only implement this thing when he wins power. Or so no pedia na ma betu bibia tum.
Yeah, but he even made the point say for the past 6 months party for mo to abayi mu leader ewie no. Obia yekom kasa kramo nkasa bi na obia mpontimi nketaide aban no because mu nyina no o yusu phrase de atente huo etua mu nua moto ti obia krantimi nkasa na party na se mu wo ho na aban no ibu na oman no muntimi kra nkasa you heard that as well.
Is it true? No. And see, that is even disrespect to the teaming party people omoye dumama MPP because obi what's your sempa? You know the news and the stories you have been discussing on Asempa. Is it the case? Say MPP, Eja Abino. Is it the case?
Asempa FM.
Isn't the NDC and its communicators all over the place defending this government? And your interview and Ndra, and when you be discussing, and won't we be discussing the NDC government? The most expensive government in the history of this country. The most expensive government in the history of this country, and it's our way. And no, discuss it as a quiet interview, no. And maybe you should remind him. So that is what we're discussing. Obviously, I have personally called on all our communicators not to comment on this thing. Ask them. It's even at their displeasure. When I gave them that gag order, some of them even disagreed with me, but I told them that is their order. I didn't even want to comment on this. But for you to even come and say MPP for job by normal Obi, is that true? The millions of MPP people who have taken this government on, you are basically saying someone here. It's hurtful. It's very hurtful. So me no can say any interview or quiet and raw threatening party here. And by now you discussing over bloated budget for this government. Because that's what we are discussing. And can discuss Chief Justice on your buying and penny for Shibomudam Pabakoso and Kadana Kabana Yeka. So you are the one who has distracted the party right now. And so don't come and disrespect the people who are sacrificing their life for the party, fighting for this party day, afternoon, night. I am hurt by that comment. Very, very hurt by that comment. And then I say, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any Christian council Koshia. Obi, and yes, a few weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, and a minority committee, at the report on Mukonya free cocoa farmers, on around the country, at the bread of Mahmoud Bawumia. So what is he talking about? DM Panoka. Why? Yes, sir, no. Yes, sir, no. Obi, respectfully, people's lives are under threat because of this government. Obi, me no can say. Now by way tatao. They would go after everything in your life. But we are all putting everything on the line to put this government on its toes. Because after all, Kebma Minkebi, and none in a womb, yes, you are doing no more some kasa. It's a phone my equanians yakasa. I didn't be the Benya byway on the back foot or more yen yama and wow, mine a become whatever. He would have to throw something in. Why?
That's how they won't call any pa. Our election will groom Hawaii. I won't be that. Kennedy will compare kwa Japan. When you want to warning, oh, Quaba. Now, crowd we businessman. Also, what bre wo Quaba. Ya conquer for ya think conquering as any Jumadi. Oba Quaba between Kennedy. Kennedy Uber Quaba abetuye. On Kwani ni power dear. O call election will chrome her. Wadri unti bida. Nante 2. Adubu ahenum common kasai. Mampani kufo 96 ngwan kasai. Nye the year 2000 na kufo bedi Ghana nim. Mampani. Atame se mon kasai. Yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. O mon kasai. 2016. Na unti chrome her. Na Dramama e call election odincho. Onkwa nini pa oko election udi nkwo 2008 Akufo-Addo wan kasai Kufu adwa no office wa fa election awie 2008 ko nka sei obokọ sha akonfo semene Bawumia akọ election ma nyanti no bibia anyimu Kennedy Japan bufu a wo behave to sa akwada ne ye woni trim ne na adwinim ne na no this waka to abontene MPP delegate anto aba ma me menti bi da mi kokọ apai me Kennedy Japan be ma mi wo sika sei na makọ election a mawie menti bi da okura sa wo fata se wudi mampani Bawumia de mfata wo a wudi twasiri twam atem e na wo twa ti nsuo wo twa kankan okura sa wo fata se wudi mampani ti ya nto aba ma wunti no da bi ebegu engu a wo bua fu kuroi mu a wunti bi da so wakọ election na wawe Kennedy Japan unti bi da unti mi nye leader wo kurom ha medical kan kiro se o political career no wase no wato atwene da yedi se oso ukoi na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o wie na dwuma kura brand champion eba enti tutuso no waduru ntem so obefa kayo so obefa nduya kayo tutuso no waduru ntem o kasa too much Kennedy pese wiasimu ni panyina hunu se wono nko ane bofo da bi Kennedy Japan ye bone da ya bia Kennedy Japan ye bofo ana NDC fo ye sei ana me ye sei ana MPP fo ye sei ana me ye sei Kennedy Japan ye bofo Kennedy Japan ye bofo kuroi mu benka tachi o ne ma na buru atwede ade ya no ne ma na buru atwede Kennedy Japan ye bofo kuroi mu na me de me ye saint and the ban corrupt wa me ye saint wo si enya wo neton MPP party faji contract wo Kennedy Japan yan nyawo neton MPP party man DC faji the contract wo me ye saint na mabunu no mu bidi na chi nkwasiafo ne yedi akwa wo yachi na Kennedy Japan de nipa ye hu so onye corrupt no na wuntimi nyama mpani wuntimi nyama mpani wo kurum ha kwa nwona gane kopa akonwa tosi wudem ne tena so wuntimi nyama mpani wo medi twasiri twam atem e wo kuroi mu ne ya meto so abasa mampani ensi na ane tete wono kura wonke ye bodwa wa ahemfia ka wo ba ho aye pamon ane tete wona ye bodwa kura wa ahemfia wo Kennedy Japan ka wuntimi ngura hobi den katachi otoma ho Kennedy Japan si edunka tiamu nyina kura omo ayi emudie mu abeduru na pemampani adi ngadi etwasiri twam ana atwa kankan ana otwa tinsuo ana wei ene wo pemampani adi na wo pemampani adi na okeka sansem hunu wei ho na adwen se MPP delegate ya bodam ne yeti krom ha ya meto abamaw bedi yeso se mampani kopa konwa bi tokosi dem na tena so bia ni ho ubenya mampani adi wo krom ha Kennedy wo kompre ko Japan we now wadi MPP party nam and wadi ye lala ana evidence ye kurame ana we ye kurame ana mi ko de base e kina mi ko de si opa ko de mu ye mfa ho Kennedy wo kompre ko Japan uti krom ha Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebe ye mampani 2028 opa wo kwa afa san wo mpa so ene wote menka fa sign wompa atifi 2020 uti krom ha na yasua Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia in 2029 okrom ha o kasa too much as if sa wonko ane bema ade am kroimu sikani ba ko awaka okroimu dabi opia ni sika edabotom de say yi okompra ko Japan kasa me mana battery so teso wono na manya nkopon mfnama yedede krom ha asif se ne ho na nyankopon bo abosia ede hwe ne ma enipa nkasasa nipa enkasasa panisi yeso ye bia jai yankaso ye bia to aso o kasa dodo oni afutufuo eni edi nachi ne ye no yodio na wa ho no se ayi ene wonam ana Kennedy ana Kennedy no wo hunu de wanya no ho na me ye bema hwan na wo ba ye wo ba ayi na tua ho wo ye bema chen hwan Kennedy Japan